The average person uses the same password on 5 or more websites. One of those websites has probably already been hacked. And right now, somewhere, an automated bot is testing that exact password on your email, your bank account, your Amazon, your everything. You don't need to be a hacker to protect yourself. You need 8 free tools. That's it. Let me show you. Tool number 1, Bitwarden. Start here. This is the most important tool on this list. Bitwarden is a free open source password manager. It remembers a different, long, random password for every single website you use, so you never have to reuse one again. You only remember one master password. Bitwarden handles everything else. Why does this matter so much? Because password reuse is how the majority of accounts get hacked. A website you signed up for in 2018 gets breached. Your email and password leak. Attackers run that combination against hundreds of other sites automatically. If you use the same password anywhere else, those accounts fall too. Bitwarden eliminates this entirely. Every site gets a unique 20-character random password that you never have to type or remember. It's free on every device. Browser extension, phone app, desktop app. The free tier covers everything a normal person needs. Bitwarden.com. Install this before any other tool on this list. Tool number 2, HaveIBeenPwned. Before you do anything else, you need to know where you already stand. HaveIBeenPwned is a free website run by security researcher Troy Hunt. You type in your email address, and it tells you exactly which data breaches that email has appeared in, which companies, what data was exposed, whether your passwords were included. The results are usually uncomfortable. Most people who check find their email in 3, 5, sometimes 10 different breach databases. An email address you made at 19 and barely use. An old shopping account you forgot about. A forum you signed up for once. All of it collected and sitting in breach databases. This tool doesn't fix anything on its own, but it tells you exactly what's already been compromised, which tells you where to start changing passwords first. Free, no account needed. HaveIBeenPwned.com. Tool number 3, Aegis Authenticator. A strong password is great. A strong password plus a second factor is dramatically better. Two-factor authentication means that even if someone gets your password through a breach, through phishing, through guessing, they still can't get into your account without a 6-digit code that rotates every 30 seconds on your phone. For Android, Aegis Authenticator is the best free 2FA app available. Open source, encrypted vault on your device, no cloud, no tracking, no account required. Your codes stay on your phone, protected by your fingerprint or a password. For iPhone users, 2FAS is the equivalent. Open source, clean, no account needed. Enable 2FA on your email first, then your bank, then any account that matters. This single step stops the majority of account takeover attacks dead. Tool number 4, Signal. Every message you send on a regular SMS or most messaging apps travels through servers owned by the company running that service. They can read it. So can anyone who compromises their servers. In some countries, governments can request access to it. Signal is a free messaging app where every message is end-to-end encrypted. That means only you and the person you're talking to can read what was sent. Not Signal servers, not your phone company, nobody in the middle. It works exactly like a normal messaging app. Texts, voice calls, video calls, file sharing, group chats. Your contacts just need to have Signal installed too. For anyone discussing anything sensitive, financial decisions, medical conversations, anything private, Signal is the only messaging app that actually protects that conversation. Signal.org, available on iPhone, Android, and desktop. Tool number 5, Proton VPN. Every website you visit can see your IP address, which reveals your approximate location and identifies your internet connection. Your internet provider can see every site you visit. On public Wi-Fi, anyone on the same network can potentially intercept your traffic. A VPN routes your connection through a private server first, hiding your IP address and encrypting your traffic between your device and the VPN server. Proton VPN has a genuinely unlimited free tier. No data caps, no speed limits after a connection, no selling your data. Most free VPNs make money by logging and selling your browsing data, which defeats the entire purpose. Proton is based in Switzerland, has a strict no logs policy, and has been independently audited. The free tier gives you access to servers in 3 countries. Paid unlocks more. But free is enough for everyday protection on public network. ProtonVPN.com. Free, no data cap, no catch. Tool number 6, Brave browser. The browser you're using right now is probably tracking you. Chrome is made by Google, the world's largest advertising company. Every site you visit, every search you run, every link you click, all of it feeds back into the system that serves you ads. That's the product you are. Brave is a free browser built on the same core as Chrome, so every website and extension works exactly the same way. But it blocks trackers, blocks ads, enforces HTTPS, and randomizes the fingerprint your browser leaves behind. In independent testing, Brave blocks over 97% of trackers by default. Switch happens in 5 minutes. Import your bookmarks and passwords from Chrome in 1 click. Brave.com. Free, works on Windows, Mac, iOS, and Android. Tool number 7, uBlock Origin. If you're not switching browsers but want protection right now, this extension is the fastest single thing you can install. uBlock Origin is a free, open source browser extension that blocks ads, trackers, and malicious scripts across every website you visit. It works on Chrome, Firefox, Edge, and Brave. In Brave, it's redundant. Brave already does this. In everything else, it's essential. The difference it makes is not small. The average website loads 50 to 80 third-party trackers alongside the content you actually came for. uBlock blocks most of them instantly. Websites load faster. Your data stops feeding dozens of companies you've never interacted with. Install from your browser's extension store. Search uBlock Origin. Make sure you get the original by Raymond Hill. One-click install, works immediately. Tool number 8. Proton Mail. Everything you send through Gmail, Outlook, or Yahoo Mail sits on servers owned by those companies. Gmail specifically scans your email content to serve you relevant ads. Your inbox is not private. Proton Mail is a free encrypted email provider based in Switzerland. Emails between Proton Mail users are end-to-end encrypted. Proton's own servers cannot read them. For emails to non-Proton users, you can set a password that the recipient needs to read the message. The free tier gives you one email address and 1 GB of storage, enough for most people's sensitive correspondence. The interface looks exactly like a normal email app. You don't need to understand encryption to use it. You don't have to move everything. Use it for banking, medical, financial, anything you actually want kept private. Proton.me. Free account takes 2 minutes to create. Like the video if this was useful. It genuinely helps. Subscribe for more content like this, and share this with someone who still uses the same password for everything. See you in the next one.